Look, we're journeying with Sis Bongo. Multilingual mind, journey with Sis Bongo. Multilingual mind, learning with Sis Bongo. Multilingual mind, learning with Sis Bongo.
Molo. Molo is hello. Molo. Molo. Molo chummy. Molo, molo, molo. Molo, molo, molo. Chummy, molo means hello. Milk, milk. Ubisi, ubisi, ubisi. Milk. Food. Ukutya, ukutya, ukutya. Food. No. Hayi, hayi, hayi. No. Hayi. We made it! Safika endle! Today, namhlanje, we are going to explore the forest. Elihlathi siza kulibuka kunye neetshomi zam ezi-2. 2 is mbini. Iitshomi zam ezimbini, uThandi noThabiso. They are going to help me see and find all the wild animals. Yay! Yo, dinemincili. Let us go. Masambeni siyokhangela izilwanyana. Ooh, Chomi, what is that? Look over there. Yes, you're right. That is a lion. Ingonyama. Lion, lion. Ingonyama, ingonyama. Lion. Wow, and what is that big animal over there? Sasiphi isilwanyana esiyana? Oh, yes. Ewe, unyanisile. That is an elephant. Elephant, indlovu. Indlovu. Elephant, elephant, indlovu. Indlovu. Elephant, indlovu. I wonder what animal this is. Sasiphi kanene esi isilwanyana? Let me think. Think ukucinga. Mandicinge. Oh, right! Ewe, unyanisile. That is a rhino. A rhino is umkhombe. Umkhombe is a rhino. Rhino. Rhino, umkhombe. Umkhombe. A is for apa. 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 Apa is here. Apa. Apa. Iza apa. Come here. Iza apa. B is for banda. 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 Banda is cold. Kuyabanda. It is cold. Kuyabanda. Is for cela. 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 Cela is please. Ndiyacela. Please. horse. It's not a horse. That is isiXhosa. isiXhosa is a zebra. Zebra. isiXhosa. Zebra. isiXhosa. 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 Zebra. isiXhosa. Can you guess what animal that is? You are right, Toby. Unyanisile. That is a monkey. A monkey. Inkawu. Inkawu. Monkey. Monkey. Inkawu. Inkawu. Cheetah. Cheetah. Ihlosi. Ihlosi. Wow! Sasiphi esiyana isilwanyana? Yes! That is a buffalo. A buffalo. Inyathi. Inyathi. Buffalo. Buffalo. Inyathi. 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 Buffalo. Inyathi.
Languages are fun, come along with me. We'll learn and play, wild and free. Languages are fun, let's sing and shout. We'll learn them all, without a doubt. Mama speaks Xhosa, Baba speaks Zulu too. We'll learn the languages, me and you. We'll count and sing, and dance around. Languages are fun, a joyful sound.
Chami, let me think. Think is tinga. Let me tinga. Let me think how to count bala in isiXhosa. Chami, do you remember how to count in English? You do? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! You did it, Tommy. Okay, now let's think how to count in isiXhosa. Are you ready? Okay. Inye is 1. Mbini is 2. Ntatu is 3. Ne is 4. And I can't remember what 5 is. Yes, Tommy. Ntlanu. Ntlanu is 5. Okay, let's count in just isiXhosa. isiXhosa. Are you ready? Okay. Inye, mbini, ntatu, ne, ntlanu. Yeah. This is a circle. A circle. Isana. 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 A circle is isana. What other things are also in the shape of a circle? Yes! A ball! Ball. Ibola. Ibola. Tommy, can you think of something else? You are right, Tommy. Orange. Orange. Can you think of something else? Tommy, you're right. It's on my shirt. isiXhosa. isiXhosa. You are so smart, Tommy. Wena ukrele. Smart. Krele. Oh, that is such a big word. we are going to learn about farm animals. Izilwanyana zasefama. Masicule. Cula is sing. Cula. Are you ready? Inye, zimbini, zintatu, let's go! Kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enenkomo, iya-iya-yo. Esithi mu-mu, mu-mu, mu-mu-mu-mu. Kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enenkukhu, iya-iya-yo. Isithi pak-pak, 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 pak-pak. Kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enehashi, iya-iya-yo. Isithi nay-nay, 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 nay. Ndithi kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enehagu, iya-iya-yo. Isithi ngoink, oink, 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 oink. Ndithi kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enedada, iya-iya-yo. Lisithi pak, 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 pak. Kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. Umfama enegusha, iya-iya-yo. Isithi baba, baba, ba, 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 ba. Ndithi kwakukho umfama, iya-iya-yo. A cow is inkomo, inkomo, inkomo. A cow is inkomo. What sound does inkomo make? Moo! Did you moo with me? Moo! Inkomo goes moo. What does inkomo do? Inkomo goes moo. Let's do it together. Yenze kunye nam. Moo. Well done. D for diniwe. D diniwe. D diniwe. D diniwe. Diniwe. Diniwe is tired. Oh, diniwe. Diniwe. I am tired. Diniwe. I am tired. E is for ewe. 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 Ewe is yes. Yes. Ewe. Ewe singadlala. Ewe singadlala. Yes, we can play. Yes, we can play. Ewe singadlala. F is for funa. 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 Funa is want. Ndiyafuna. 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 I want. I want. I want. Ndiyafuna. G for galela. G galela. G galela. G galela. Galela is pour. Galela ubisi. Galela ubisi. Pour the milk. Pour the milk. Galela ubisi. H is for hamba. 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 Hamba is go. Hamba. Hamba. Masihambe. Let's go. Masihambe. Molo. Hello. Today, Usis Bongo is going to teach you how to greet. And I'm going to teach you how to greet isiXhosa using English and sign language. Are you ready? Inye, zimbini, zintatu, let's greet. First, when you greet, ubulisa. Greet is bulisa. Greet, bulisa. When you greet, ubulisa, you say, hello. Hello. Molo. Molo. And molo is hello. And then after that, you ask, how are you? How are you? And how are you ngesiXhosa is unjani? 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 After you ask unjani, you answer ndiphilile enkosi, which is I am good. Thank you. Ndiphilile enkosi. Ndiphilile enkosi. Ndiphilile enkosi. Hey, is that isiXhosa again? Oh no! I'm so silly. That is a leopard. You're correct. That's a leopard. A leopard is ingwe. Ingwe. Leopard. Ingwe. Ingwe. Leopard. Ingwe. Whoa! That is a tall animal. Tommy, what animal is that? Sasiphi esi isilwanyana? Yummy. Okay, so this is a giraffe. Giraffe is idlulamthi. Idlulamthi. Yes, you are right, Tommy. This is a giraffe. Idlulamthi. Giraffe. Idlulamthi. Giraffe. Idlulamthi. Giraffe. Okay, Tommy. Now we are going to sing a song. Song is ingoma. Sing is ula. So we are going to sing ula, a song ingoma. We are going to ula ingoma. Yay! And ingoma yetu, our song is called Umvundla. Umvundla is a rabbit. Yes, a rabbit is umvundla. Umvundla. Now, let us sing a song. But before we sing our song, I will not be able to sing it alone. I need you to help me. Let's call my friends. Charmy. Are you helping me call my friends? Charmy. Ah, there they are. Here are my friends. First, I have a zebra, iqwarhashe, a elephant, indlovu, and a giraffe, indlulamthi. My friends are going to help me sing my song. Friends, are you going to help? They say yes. Okay, Charmy, let's go and sing the song. I'm so excited. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Yes, wadibana nengonyama. Umvundlana othile wahambe funi chomi wakhangela wadibana ne. Wadibana nantoni chomi? wadibana nendlovu. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nantoni? What did he find? Iqwarhashe. Good job. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana ewe, wadibana nomkhombe. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nenkawu. Good job, Chomi. Let's carry on. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nehlosi. Wadibana nehlosi. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nenyathi. Well done, Chomi. Yo, uyazazi izilwanyana zasendle. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana nengwe. Wow! Wadibana nengwe umvundla. Umvundlana othile wahamba efuna itshomi, wakhangela wadibana What is this, Chomi? Yes! Wadibana nendlulamthi. Well done, Chomi. Chomi, let us open. Open is vula. Vula, our flashcards from Shimali, and learn how to count in isiXhosa. Nye, 1. Nye, 1. Mbini, 2. Mbini, 2. Ndatu, 3. Ndatu, 3. Ne, 4. Ne, 4. Nhlanu, 5. Nhlanu, 5.
This is a rectangle. A rectangle. Uqande. Rectangle. Uqande. Uqande is a rectangle. Tommy, what other things are also in the shape of a rectangle? Yes, ifoni. Ifoni is, you guessed it, a phone. Phone. Ifoni. Phone. Now, what else is in the shape of a rectangle? Yes! Incwadi. Can you guess what incwadi is in English? Maybe look at the pictures over there. Yes! Incwadi is book. Book. Incwadi. book. Incwadi. Tommy, can you guess the last thing that's also in the shape of a rectangle? Uqande. Yes! A door! And a door is uqango. Uqango. You can also say umnyango. Umnyango. Uqango or umnyango. That is a door, Chomi, but I call it uqango.
Opi, Opi, Nangu, Opi, Opi, Nangu, Opi, 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 umama, Opi, Opi, Nangu, umama, Nangu, umama, Opi, Opi, Nangu, umama, mama, mama. Chicken. Ikuku. Ikuku. Chicken. Chicken is ikuku. Ikuku. What sound does a chicken make? Ikuku yenza esiphi isikhalo? Let's do it together. Bak, 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 bak. Bak, 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 bak. Uyayenza. Bak, 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 bak. Bak, 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 bak. Well done. A pig is ihagu. Ihagu. Ihagu is a pig. Ihagu. Ihagu. Ihagu yenza esiphi isikhalo? Ihagu says, let's try. Ooh, so difficult. So silly. A duck is idada. Idada. Idada is a duck. What sound does idada make? Quack, quack. Try. Quack, quack. Zama. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. A sheep is igusha. 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 Igusha is a sheep. What sound does igusha make? Igusha iti ba. Ba. Zama. Ba. Oh. Ba. Okay, Chomi, now we are going to be writing out the sums and we are going to be using these 4 beautiful colors. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them in isiXhosa. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine. Okay, now the colors are yellow. Yellow. And yellow is mtubi, mtubi or kyeli. Kyeli. So you can say mtubi or you can say kyeli. The next color we are going to be using is this color, and this is, well done, Chomi, this is red. Red is bomvu, bomvu. Okay. Then we are going to be using this color, and this color is orange. Orange in isiXhosa is orangey, orangey, just like the fruit. And then lastly, we have this color, and this color, oh, there it is. This color is purple, and purple in isiXhosa is msobo. Sobo is purple. Let's start with our sum. Start is qala, qala. Okay, let us start. So first we have 1. We're gonna say 1 plus 1. Okay, so first we have 1. We're gonna write our 1. We start at the top and we go to the bottom. Okay, and that is our 1. Top all the way to the bottom. 1. And then we are going to say plus, and this is the sign for plus. 1 plus. So you start to go down, and then you go to the side, and you go sideways. Okay, plus, so it's 1 plus, then we are going to add another 1. 1. Okay, so it's 1 plus 1. Now we are going to say it's equal to, and the equal to sign is like this. You just go from the side equal, like that. Equal to. So this is equal to, and in isiXhosa equals to is zenza. Zenza. So let's start from the top. It's 1 inye. 1 inye. Plus is dibanisa. 1 plus, which is inye, dibanisa, and then 1 inye. So it's 1 plus 1, which is inye, dibanisa, inye, zenza, which is equal to. So it's 1 plus 1, it's equal to, which is inye, dibanisa, inye, zenza. And then we're going to write the number. What's the number, Chomi? Can you guess? Let's see if you can guess what number this is. I'm going to write it out in Bongo red. The answer is 2. Yes, the answer is 2. Well done. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Inye dibanisa inye zenza mbini. Well done, Chomi. I am so happy. I am going to draw a smiling face.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1. Inye. Inye is 1. 1 is inye. Inye. 2. 2 is zimbini. 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 Zimbini is 2. 3 is zintatu. Zintatu. Zintatu is the number 3. Zintatu. Zintatu. 3. 4. 4 is zine. 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 Zine is 4. 4 is zine. 5. 5 is zinhlanu. Zinhlanu is 5. Zinhlanu. Zinhlanu. Zinhlanu is 5. Yay! You did it! Wow! Wena uyakwazi ukubala. Masiculeni. Cula is sing. Yes! Masiculeni. Are you ready? Let us sing the counting song. Masicule ingoma yokubala. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu, zinhlanu. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu, zinhlanu. One more time. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu, zinhlanu. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu, zinhlanu. Yes. Ewe. Ewe. Yes. Ewe. Ewe. Please. Ella.
please. Ella. 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 Please. Ella. Ella, Mama. E is for EP. E, E, EP. E, E, EP. E, EP. EP is where. EP, EP. Where? EP Ebola. EP Ebola. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? EP Ebola. J is for Jonga. J, Jonga. J, Jonga. J, Jonga. Jonga. Jonga is look. Jonga. Jonga pa. Jonga pa. Look over there. Look over there is Jonga pa. K is for color. 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 Color is cry. Color. Color. Color is cry. Ubaba uyakhala. Ubaba uyakhala. The baby is crying. Ubaba uyakhala. For lambile. 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 Lambile is hungry. Lambile, hungry. Ndi lambile. Ndi lambile. I am hungry. I am hungry is ndi lambile. For mamela. 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 Mamela is listen. Listen is mamela. Mamela apakum. Mamela apakum is listen to me. Listen to me is mamela apakum. Mamela apakum.
Languages are fun, come along with me. We'll learn and play, wild and free. Languages are fun, let's sing and shout. We'll learn them all, without a doubt. Mama speaks Xhosa, Baba speaks Zulu too. We'll learn the languages, me and you. We'll count and sing, and dance around. Languages are fun, a joyful sound.
This is a triangle. Triangle. Unqantathu. Nqantathu is a triangle. Triangle. Nqantathu. Nqantathu. Chami, ungakwazi ukucinga ngezinto ezifana nonqantathu? Can you think of things that look like a triangle? Yes, a slice of pizza. Iqhekeza le pizza. Iqhekeza le pizza. Can you think of something else? Something you can use when you go camping? Yes, a tent. Intente. Intente. Lastly, can you think of a third thing? Into yesithathu. Yes, a party hat. Umnqwazi weparty. Umnqwazi weparty. Chami, do you ever wear umnqwazi weparty? Do you wear party hats? I do too, Tommy. I love birthdays and I love singing the happy birthday song.
N is for Nancy. 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 Nancy is, here it is. Here it is. Nancy ilokhwe yam. Nancy ilokhwe yam. Here is my dress. Here is my dress. Nancy ilokhwe yam. O is for oko. O, oko. O, oko. O, oko. Oko is always. Always is oko. Usis Bongo ucula oko. Usis Bongo ucula oko. That means Sis Bongo is always singing. Usis Bongo ucula oko. P is for pa. 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 Pa is over there. Pa. Pa. Jonga pa. Look over there. Jonga pa. Is for kwaba. 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 Kwaba is clap. Kwaba izandla. Kwaba izandla. Clap your hands. Clap your hands is kwaba izandla. For Gauzela. 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 Gauzela is itchy. Mama, diyakhawuzela. Mama, diyakhawuzela. Mama, I'm itchy. Mama, I'm itchy is Mama, diyakhawuzela.
Let us add dibanisa. Dibanisa. Okay, Tommy, let's add 1 plus 1. 1 plus dibanisa 1 is equal zenza 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 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 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to... You're right, Tommy! 2!
S is for Sapa. 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 Sap. Sapa is give. Give. Sapa itoyam. Give my toy. Sapa itoyam. T is for teta. 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 Teta is talk. Mama, teta no tata efonini. Mama, teta no tata efonini is Mom, talk to Dad on the phone. Mom, talk to Daddy on the phone is Mama, teta no tata efonini. U is for unjani. 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 Unjani is how are you? Unjani namhlanje? Unjani namhlanje is how are you today? Unjani namhlanje?
Is for Vasa. 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 Vasa.
Vasa. Vasa is wash. Vasa is wash. Vasa izandla. Wash your hands. Vasa izandla.
Who is for wam. 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 Wam.
Wam. Wam is my. Wam. Usisi wam. Usisi wam. My sister. My sister is usisi wam.
Is for Olo. 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 Olo.
Uxolo. Uxolo is sorry. Uxolo. Uxolo buti. Uxolo buti. Sorry brother. Uxolo buti.
Z is for Zama. 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 Zama.
Zama. Zama is try. Zama. Zama ugqibe. Zama ugqibe. Try and finish. Try and finish. Zama ugqibe. Oh, that was a lot of work to learn. Yo, sisebenzile namhlanje.
Bye bye. Salani kakuhle. Usisi Bongo unithanda kakhulu. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye bye friend. Bye bye Chomi.
Multilingual minds, language learning with Sis Bongo. 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 Multilingual minds, language learning with Sis Bongo.